am finished with fighting, but I can help you finish a fight. Enjoy the thrill of battle. While you can. Nufo teaches stillness. I prefer action.
Size dilutes the brain. Mine, I think that suits you beautifully. Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
Is this all I am? Just another hungry animal.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
I've been tracking you across the Outlands. Your scent is strong.
You do see these tusks, right? Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. You might try JJ's shop. Real friendly guy.
If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it. You're a smart one, for your size.
You met my brother Flex? What a meathead, right?
If I knock you down quickly, you might be safe.
I seek the ultimate secret. Will you get me any closer? Every failed experiment lights the path to success.
Smart shoppers buy vintage. New is for suckers. Our items have lived. They have stories.
Too weak, creature born.
A kill is a kill.
You're huge. Do you have any huge?
Every hunt is a new lesson.
They don't make these like they used to.
If you wake up the creature, what happens next is on you.
I would spar with you, but this leg. Oof. All my weapons have been tested at.
The smaller proportions, the finer. Whoever said money can't buy class had neither. Shall I drop it for you?
Life is pretty long. I can help you finish it faster. Error. Okay, disabling assistant for 1 hour.
I'm a people person, and sometimes I sell stuff. I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase.
Whatever doesn't kill me makes me angry.
When you're ready, I'll send you to Orland. But I'll keep you as long as I can.
I will try to be gentle.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Come on in. Let's chat. Happy to make a sale. Sad to say goodbye. Trash Town is the future!
Few warriors live to retire. Hey, when you carry my weapon, I fight alongside you. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me.
The Bazaar is a good teacher.
Reward the peaceful, punish the war. You're listening to your needs. That's good, I guess.
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
My people believe in peace. Boring! Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise.
The Grand Society of Master Merchants welcomes you. You see that, Barkin? That's how it's done. Ha ha!
I can use you. Consume you. You know I will return.
This world has strange folk, strange ways. Nothing of them.
Make deals, not war. You are not a friend, but I'm glad you bought this.
These are my hunting grounds. Find your own.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. I believed in myself and I still lost.
Any good fights lately? Use it well. Make me proud. Go make some more stones, then come back and tell me.
Stronger. Finally. I came to train weak. But
if there's one thing I've learned from a life, and with a blast of pure charisma, voila!
Nothing change it? Me? It was already like that.
There is a power in me I can't control. Be careful if the creature takes over. Run. Some clients want me to hunt people instead of monsters. I'm starting to see why.
You say your reality is so fragile, so malleable. They'd pay me for this. They can't deal with such weak beasts. Creature gets stronger too. That's what I'm afraid of.
is huge! It's terrifying! Try Barcoon. He needs to get his numbers up or something.
I must warn you, I am more than I appear.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
What have you got? Did it really change? Or did you misremember?
Eat up? I bet you feel stronger already, don't you?
The Void King requires your presence. Perfect darkness. Perfect peace. Forever.
Monster. Yes, and only monsters.
People first, profit 10. That's okay. It was nice to see you.
We've barely scratched the surface of the Outlands.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey.
Ask anyone. It's always been this way.
Try your luck. You can't lose. What's in the hat? A rabbit, of course.
Yes, I will dance with you.
This well. Maybe too much meat.
Give to creature.
No two hunts are alike. You need to stay flexible, like a bowstring.
Yataria? The dunes? Where shall we start?
Something sleeps within me. make it up.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. I can see you're going places, but I'm chasing you.
Was that a hunt? Or a massacre?
Normal creature, devour everything.